having a shared vision. So everyone's, nose and toes are headed in the same direction. I mean, Nick Saban, the former coach of Alabama, talks about this all the time. And so did Pete Carroll, Seattle Seahawks coach. They're like, that's where I took it from for coaching my team. They're like, yep, our goal is to win a national championship. Our goal is to win a Super Bowl. That's our shared vision. We're never going to talk about it again. Let's get to work.
Yeah.
And for me, that makes sense.
I think a lot about priorities. That's what came out of this for me was, the idea of, okay, where are we going, right? We've got some kind of a shared mission. And then for some subset of time in business, we often use a quarter. For a sports team, it could be, the season. It could be shorter, longer, who knows? But what I like to do is I like to say, okay, great. We're trying to go from here to there. Now, what are the activities that we're going to disproportionately prioritize? Because there are hundreds of things, thousands, infinitely many ways to accomplish any given goal. And this is when I find we get really misaligned is, everyone's trying to accomplish the goal in the way that they think is best. And we wind up banging into each other and not all pushing in one direction. But when you can define priorities and say, hey, the way that we're going to get here is we're going to improve marketing in this way, and we're going to improve our product in that way. And now we know together that like these set of 2, 3, 4, 5 activities, initiatives are disproportionately more important. That's where we're going to put our energy. That to me is the strategy. And that's the thing that really helps us get tightly aligned around, okay, how are we all going to move together towards this piece? And so I took a lot of the energy I put towards goal setting. And instead of trying to get a perfect goal with exactly the right metric and it's smart and measurable and the OKRs and the whatever you want to use to like ladder it all down, instead, can we be very, very clear about the small set of priorities that we have and then trust everyone to like, yeah, we can now figure this out together. And I want people's diverse thinking against those priorities, as long as we all know these are our priorities and they haven't changed and we're all pushing in the same direction. So I shifted a lot of my energy from goal setting to really, really clear prioritization.